And the World Health Organization has sent out a warning to Europe after almost 2 months of decline. COVID-19 cases are on an uptick again. The International Health Body has warned that if cases are not immediately curbed, the continent might witness a new wave of every 100 new infections reported around the world. About 16 were reported from countries in Europe. The warning comes at the backdrop of rising cases of the Delta variant in the continent. Let's just listen into what the WHO Director of Europe had to say to this.
A 10-week decline in number of COVID-19 cases in the 53 countries in the WHO European region has come to an end. Last week, the number of cases rose by 10%, driven by increased mixing, travel, gatherings and easing of social restrictions.
Kluge also said that the Delta variant could become the dominant strain in Europe by August. The regional director said that the vaccine rollout was nowhere near where it needed to be to offer the necessary protection. On your screens are 5 European countries right now which are recording a rise in COVID-19 cases. Russia has been pushing for nationwide vaccination drive to avoid a second wave. Yet the country is witnessing about 20,000 cases every 24 hours. Second most cases in Europe is being recorded by the United Kingdom. The country has recorded about 19,000 cases each in the past week. Spain and France have seen an uptick in cases as well. Portugal has been recording 1,600 cases every day. Now, the country has reported the highest number of new infections since February. The World Health Organization also showed concern over the ongoing Euro 2020 football tournament. They called for a better monitoring of the movement of spectators, including before they arrive and after they leave the stadiums. London is due to host the semi-finals and the final of the tournament next week, while St. Petersburg will host the quarter-final, both of which are currently witnessing a rise in cases.
At the moment, of course, we have a large, major sporting tournament. High visibility is placed on that. We're seeing a lot of images, and there's a lot of images within the stadia. We need to look much beyond just the stadia themselves. What we need to look at is around the stadia. How are people getting there? Are they traveling in large, crowded convoys of buses? Are they taking individual measures when they're doing that? What's happening after the games when people leave the stadiums?
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.